So good evening to everyone. Today I am going to show you how to write the 18 Sinhala vowels, and also I am going to show you how to sound them. So this is the first letter. It is for a or a sound. The second letter is just the longer version of this first vowel. It's a. Add a little symbol to a, then it becomes R. The third letter I am writing here, it's kinda unique to Sinhala language. It is not seen in other South Asian languages. This vowel is sounded a. Like in cat, this sound in cat, it is sounded a. The fourth letter I am writing here, it is just the longer version of the a. So it is sounded a. A. The next letter I am writing here, it is E. This is the E letter. It's a vowel. The next vowel is E, the longer version of E. It's E. This is U. It sounded U. And the next one is U, the longer version of U. Add a little symbol here, then it becomes U. The next letter is kind of hard to spell for English speakers. Just make your tongue rolled up in the palate and try to sound the sound. Sound the sound with your tongue rolled up, so it becomes Sound a subtle R sound is there. So and the longer version now I am writing here is So for example, if you add this vowel to k, it's become kr. So the next one is just the same concept. Instead of R, you are trying to sound L. So make your tongue that like that if you are going to trying to sound L, but sound with the tongue twisted like we are going to spell L. So it becomes L and L. This is the vowel for A. And this one is for A. Same letter and a little flag kind of thing. It becomes long. So A. The next one is I or I. It's a combination vowel. Combination of A and E. It sounded I. This one is for O sound. Sound O. So this is the longer one, O. So there, here you can see the next one is another combination vowel. It's OW. Like I, it's a combination of A and U. So it sounded OW. So 18 vowels. And I'm also going to show you how to write and sound another two letters. It's not letters actually, it's kind of symbols. It's for when it is added to A, it sounds ang, and the second one added to A, it sounds ah. So kang, kah, like that.